Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are doing a complete tour of Claude interface. Every button, every panel, everything that you see on screen. By the end, you will know exactly what each part does and where to click for anything. I will go nice and slow so nothing is confusing. Don't feel like you have to memorize it at all. Just follow along and get familiar. Let's jump in. First, the big picture. The screen splits into two main parts. On the left is sidebar, that's your navigation, your chats, projects, Claude's other tools, and your account. The big space in the middle is your conversation with the message box where you type in, and later when Claude builds something, a panel can open on the right. So sidebar on the left and conversation in the middle. Let's start at the top left and work our way right around the screen. Right at the top left, you have got the Claude logo. Click that anytime to get back to a fresh home screen. Next to it, two little icons. The magnifying glass is search bar. Click it to search through all your past conversations by keywords, and the panel icon next to it collapses the sidebar, so click that to tuck it away and give yourself more room. And click again to bring it back. Simple, but good to know they are up there. First item in the menu, new chat with the plus icon. Click this whenever you want to start a fresh conversation. Get into habit of using it every time you switch topics. It keeps each chat clean and separate. This is your starting point for anything new. Next, chats. Click here and you get the full list of every conversation you have had, newest first, each with a title Claude generated for you. Click any one to jump right back in where you left off, and if you hover over a conversation, a three-dot menu appears with options to start, rename, move or delete it, but that has its own video. For now, just know this is where all your conversations live. Then projects, click in and you will find your workspaces, a project groups, related chats together with the shared instructions and files. So everything for one topic or client stays in one organized place. You can create a new project right from here. Full videos on this are coming later. For now, this is your home for organized, focused work. Below that, artifacts. Artifacts are things Claude builds for you. Documents, code, charts, even little interactive apps that open in a panel to the right of your chat. This section collects all of them in one place so you can find and reopen anything Claude has made. There is even an inspiration gallery in here, another topic for later, but that's what this is. Next is customize. This is where you personalize how Claude talks to you. Things like response styles and your own preferences and instruction, so Claude matches your tone and the way you like answers. If you ever want Claude to consistently write a certain way, shorter, more formal, whatever, this is where you set that up. Worth a visit once you have used Claude for a bit. Now you will see a little heading that says products with a few items under it: code, Cowork and design. These are Claude's other tools right alongside the chat. Code is for developers, coding tasks and projects. Cowork is for bigger, multi-step jobs where Claude works through a task more independently. And design, you will spot a little beta flask next to it, is for creating visual designs and mockups. You don't need these for everyday chatting, but it's good to know they are here as you grow into Claude, and we will definitely explore them in their own videos. Under that, you have got recents, a quick access list of your latest conversations right there so you can jump straight back in without searching. You will also notice a little sort icon next to the heading if you want to change how they are ordered. So recents for what you are actively working on, and the search icon up top for anything older. Down at the very bottom left is your account, your picture, your name and your plan, as mine says Max Plan. Next to it there is a download icon and little up down arrow. Right at the top it shows the email your account is under. Then you have got your options, settings, the main control panel, and notice there is even a keyboard shortcut shown beside it. Language, to change the language Claude uses. Help for support and guides. Upgrade plan to move up to a higher tier. Get apps and extensions to download Claude for your desktop, phone and browser. Gift Claude, you can gift a subscription to someone. Learn more, extra resources and information. And right at the bottom, logout. So this little menu is your whole account hub. Let's click settings and go inside. But first, let's finish the rest of the screen. Now look at the very top right corner of the screen. See that little icon? That's incognito chat. Click it and you start a temporary conversation that doesn't get saved to your conversation history at all. Perfect for a quick one-off question. You don't want cluttering your chat list, and you want that a lot of people miss. So remember, it's tucked up there in the corner. Over in the main area, the first thing you will notice is a greeting. Claude greets you based on the time of the day and your name. Just a friendly little touch. Nothing to click here. It just means you are on a fresh chat ready to go. Below the greeting is the message box, the heart of everything. It says, "How can I help you today?" Click anywhere in it and start typing. To send, press enter or click the send arrow. Now let's go around the buttons on this box. Bottom left of the box is the plus button. Click it to add things to your message, like upload a file or photo from your device or pull in files from the connected apps like Google Drive. It's also where you connect those apps. So anytime you want Claude to look at a document, spreadsheet or image, this is how you attach it. Just under the box you will see some shortcut buttons. Code, write, and then from Drive, from Calendar, from Gmail. The first two start you on a common task. The from ones pull in content from your connected apps. So from Gmail grabs an email, from Calendar grabs an event, and so on. Tap one and Claude sets you up instantly. They are optional, but they are great shortcuts once your apps are connected. Bottom right of the box is a model picker. It shows the current model. Here, Opus 4.8 with the word and the drop-down arrow. Click it and you will see your models. Opus, most capable for ambitious work. Sonnet, most efficient for the everyday task. And Haiku, fastest for the quick answers. Below those is effort setting. That's what high refers to. How hard Claude thinks, and a more models option that opens a side menu of older variants like Opus 4.7, 4.6 and Opus 3. We have got a whole video on choosing the right one. For now, this is where you switch. To the right of the picker, two voice icons. The microphone lets you dictate. Tap it, speak, and your words become text. And the little waveform icon next to it starts voice mode for an actual spoken back and forth with Claude. So if you would rather talk than type, they're right there. Once you send, Claude's reply appears above the box. Hover over it and you will get a little row of buttons. Copy the answer, ask Claude to try again for a different variant, and thumbs up or down for feedback. And on your own messages, hover to edit what you said and have Claude redo its answers. Small tools, but they make chatting much smoother. When you are inside a conversation, look at the top, you will see the chat's title. Click it to rename the chat, and near the top corner there is usually a share button. So the top of the screen manages the chat you are in, the sidebar jumps between the chats. Last stop, let's open the settings from the account menu. A panel opens with a search bar at the top to jump to anything. And down the side is a list of sections. Let me run through everyone. General, your overall preferences and how Claude behaves by default. Account, your profile and account details. Privacy, your data and privacy controls. Billing, your payment information and plan management. Usage, where you can see how much you have used against your limits. Then the big one, capabilities. This is where you switch on Claude's powers. Web search, code execution and file creation. Artifacts, inline visualizations, searching your past chats, and more. I would turn this on so everything is available. Next, connectors. This is where you link outside apps like Google Drive, Gmail, and Calendar so Claude can work with them. Claude Code settings for Claude's coding tool. We will dig into capabilities and connectors properly in their own videos, but now you know exactly what every single settings section does. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, the sidebar is your navigation, new chat, chats, projects, artifacts, customize, plus the products tools. Second, search and collapse are the two icons at the top. Your account and settings are at the bottom. Third, the top right icon starts a private incognito chat. Fourth, the message box has the plus button for the files and the model picker on the right. And fifth, in settings, the capabilities and connectors pages are the ones you will want to set up first. And that's the complete tour of Claude interface. You now know the whole sidebar, the chat area, the message box and every button around it, the model picker, the incognito chat, your account menu, and every section inside the settings. Once it's laid out like this, it's a really clean, simple layout. In the next video, we will put it to use and start your very first chat. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, bye-bye.